Hey guys, you know what would be better than my Pepsi for breakfast? Pepsi Blue! That's right! And finally, PepsiCo has answered the freak's request after all these years. That's right. And they will bring back Pepsi Blue for a limited time, summer 2021. That's right, check it out. Now, I am the ultimate Pepsi Blue fan in the world, just like the LA Beast, one of YouTube's all-time greats, is the #1 fan for Crystal Pepsi. That's right. So I thought, imagine if the fabulous four-fingered freak would team up with the LA Beast. Yeah, and promote PepsiCo's products next summer 2021. Wouldn't that be awesome? Yeah, it would. So, anybody out there listening to the freak, LA Beast, PepsiCo? All you have to do is give a little shout out to the freak. That's right. And we will team up to bring back both Crystal Pepsi and Pepsi Blue. Yeah.